Store a toilet plunger so it stays sanitary, accessible, and out of sight. After each use, rinse the rubber head thoroughly with hot water and a small amount of mild detergent. Then shake off excess water and blot the head with a clean cloth or paper towel to speed drying. If available, leave the plunger resting on its side across the bathtub or a utility sink for 5 to 10 minutes so air circulates around the head, which reduces residual moisture that encourages bacteria and mildew. For longer drying use, place the plunger in a well-ventilated area or in front of a bathroom fan for several minutes. Never seal it in a closed container while damp. Select a storage method that keeps the head off bathroom surfaces, such as a dedicated plunger tray, caddy, or holder with drainage holes to capture drips and allow airflow. Pour off any collected water regularly and clean the tray weekly with disinfectant. Keep the stored plunger near the toilet for quick access, but tucked away behind a vanity, inside a bathroom cabinet, or in a narrow wall alcove, so it is convenient yet out of direct view for guests. Periodically inspect the plunger for cracks, warping, or persistent odors and replace it when the rubber loses flexibility or cleaning no longer restores a neutral smell. Common mistakes include storing the plunger wet inside a closed container, which traps moisture and speeds bacterial growth, so always dry before enclosing and use a ventilated tray if you need to hide it. Another mistake is leaving the plunger standing with the head on the floor where it picks up grime and comes into contact with bathroom traffic. Instead, choose a holder that elevates or supports the head and allows drainage. A third issue is keeping the plunger in a remote utility space that makes it hard to reach during an emergency, so balance discretion with accessibility by placing it near the toilet but out of direct sight and close enough to grab quickly. At bighomeprojects.com, we help homeowners find trusted local contractors, and contractors find work through our project listings and community features. We also host a discussion community where homeowners and professionals exchange practical storage tips, product recommendations, and step-by-step advice for maintaining household tools.